Okay, this is Alfredo, and Alfredo actually was part of an experiment. He's very happy with his results. We can go ahead and take a look. He had a procedure done around 1,800 grafts, and you can see how nicely you're happy with him, right?
Absolutely.
All right, so you can see how natural it looks. We did all this work up front, around 1,800, 1,900 grafts more or less. He's gotten some more thinning because the procedure was done several years ago. So we're going to go ahead and do some more filling in here, giving in maybe like 400 into here, another like 150, 200 here. And he's also concerned about his crown area, which has progressed. We did some grafting in here, and it's better, and you can see some of the grafts, but he's further thinned out. But what we had done was, when I started doing the HITS technique, I started comparing. That's the technique to get the hairs to grow through the scar. And you can see how here we actually have hairs growing right through the scar. And I'm very happy with how the result came out. In certain areas it came out beautiful. But overall, I think his better donor site closure is actually right here. It's the incision itself is a little bit narrower, and while there's no hairs growing through there, overall it looks better. Down the road, if he ever decided to cut his hair really short, we could always go ahead and do some grafting, FUE grafting into the scar. But overall, I'm very happy with it. And with his second procedure, I'm going to go ahead and do it with a with the non-HITS technique. For the most part, I may do a little bit of HITS in certain areas. Generally, the HITS comes out better in the back of the head as opposed to on the sides, where there's less risk of widening. But overall, he's happy. I mean, he says he's ecstatic. Yeah. That's his words.
All right,
thank you.